You're cooking with Margaret. I am here today to show you our new Bubble Waffle pan, and it is on sale through the end of July. And so it's only $49 for the next couple days till the 31st, and normally it's $65, so it's quite a savings, like 25% off. So here it is. It's a stove-top pan, and I have been preheating it now for a few minutes on medium-high, and what it does is it makes bubble waffles, like that you can make ice cream cones out of, or like a, put fruit and a yummy kind of whipped cream or something like that on it. So good, you guys. Or you could put regular waffle batter in there and make breakfast waffles. So it's basically crispy edges with little soft bubbles in between versus a regular waffle that is kind of like fluffy edges with crispy little holes, divots. So I'm gonna make, but you could do so much in here, you guys. You could put cinnamon roll dough on here and make nice little bubble waffle cinnamon rolls. You could do quesadillas, and that's what I'm gonna do today. So I've been heating this pan up, and so what I'm gonna do now, and I kind of have big tortillas here. I really like these tortillas from Trader Joe's. They taste freshest to me, but they're kind of big for this. So we'll see how it goes. I haven't tried doing a quesadilla in this yet, so I'm excited to give this a try, and I'm using pepper jack cheese. So I think soft flour tortillas would be just the perfect size for this, but I'm using these kind of burrito sized ones. So you put your tortilla on. I'm just going to use cheese, but of course you could fill it with whatever you like, and then other tortilla on top. Now I haven't greased the pan or anything, no need to. I'm going to sandwich that in there, and I'm going to flip it over and let it cook for a couple minutes. So while we do that and let it do its thing, let me show you a few things you can do with the Bubble Waffle Maker. It comes with a little fork. In fact, I have it right here. Excuse that view. That makes it perfect for getting the waffles off of it. It's a non-stick surface, so you don't want to mar it with a regular fork or what have you. So it comes with this cute little fork. It's got a little smile on it. Happy fork. So you can do, like, this is a dessert bubble waffle with some strawberries and a Nutella whipped cream kind of topping. So that's kind of yummy. You could do, oh my gosh, this is the best kind. Waffles for waffle cones for ice cream. And by the way, this is a blueberry homemade ice cream. The recipe is on pamperedchef.com, and it is awesome, really good. So you can make waffle cones out of bubble waffles, or you can make, like we were talking about, actually breakfast waffles with them. Or you could make them savory, like a savory waffle, you know, make the batter and then add some spices or some herbs to it, and then cut that up and use it as like a little sandwich bread. Really yummy. Or even a wrap. You can just fill it like a taco and eat it that way, kind of like a savory version. So I'm going to turn this over. It's been there for a couple minutes or close to it. I don't want to break my stove. Let's see what it's looking like. Ooh, can you see that, you guys? Ooh, I'll move the camera so you can see. It's getting toasty, but there's the bubble pattern is on it, but it's getting nice and toasty. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot wait to try this quesadilla. My friend Rita does quesadillas with this all the time, and she does cinnamon roll dough. She gets the cans of pre-made cinnamon roll dough, like at Trader Joe's or Pillsbury at the grocery store, and then she separates them out, flattens them out just a little bit, sets like 4 of them on there, and then bubble waffles them. Is that crazy? But it's so good. We did that at a team meeting once, and it was delicious. So this bubble waffle, oops, my cheese is starting to goo out. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. I think it's time to take this guy out. Let's do it. I don't have a plate. I'm just going to use my cutting mat. Oh my goodness gracious. Woo. And it cleans up super easy. It's all non-stick. How did the back side do? Let's look. Not as toasty. I might have put too much cheese, but it's still toasty, just not as toasty as the front side here, which is beautiful looking. So let me cut this up. Here, let's see if I can do it where you guys can see it. I'll grab my pizza cutter real quick. Too much glare. Oh, there we go. I think I'm getting it. Too much glare steel. Let me shorten these legs up a little bit. Oh, I need a cameraman, right? Here, let me get a pizza cutter. Let's see that the cheese is all melted. I put a lot of cheese on. I could have went lighter on the cheese. Ooh, I like that crispy sound. Yummy. Oh my gosh. And one more cut. This is a big enough one to share. How's it look? Oh my goodness. Maybe I didn't put too much cheese. That looks delicious. Look, it's completely melted through. Oh, yummy. It's gonna be delicious. So, the Bubble Waffle pan, you guys, it's on sale for $49 through July 2019. And if you want one, I have one on hand. If you live in Redding, I can deliver it to you today, Monday, the 29th. Otherwise, you are welcome to order, and I'll put the ordering information in the link below. You guys, thanks for joining me. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to my channel. More videos to come, and give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Bye, you guys.